Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, because we have s. So I will put number 5 go to the left, and then we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides of this one. So we have 2u du. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change for u. S we change for this one. ds we change for this one. So u and u we have u square. So number 2 I will put outside. Now the next one, u square multiplied by u square and number 5. And now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 4 going here. So 4 plus 1 we have number 5. Number 2 I will put this one going here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. And now we have the final answer. So about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.